Okay, this bug on my screen is alive, and it has a skull as a face. Let's see if I can get it again. Oh. Let's... Oh, okay. Okay. That's like a alien. There's like... Okay, you can look down... this is really hard. You can see its eyes. And then in the front, you can see like it's probably, I don't know, it looks like a skull or an alien. It's like it has two faces. That's so creepy. And usually when you see things in a microscope, they're dead. Now, this is alive. It's just on my screen. Let's see. There's my screen. Look, you see it twitching and stuff. Get off my window. I don't like you, you're creepy. God, that creepy little skull alien face. It's hard because up is down and left is right. Because the lens is inverted. Here's the antenna, they're moving. What are you sensing? Don't sense me. There's I think a baby dragonfly. I couldn't get it earlier. It's like behind the screen. But even like looking at the detail of the screen is so cool. I'll put a link in the description to this microscope. It's only $20. Oh, there's its ugly little leg. But I can't get its head. I can't focus. It's like it's so far back, it gets lost in the focus. Oh, this gave me the creeps. I pinched myself with the screen and the microscope. Yeah, so I guess it's behind this black thing right here, I think. Hold on, let me do a... God, left is right and right is left. Okay, I can't describe... Well, you know, inverted controls. Yeah, I don't see it. Oh, I'm way off, that's why. Okay, see, I'm pushing the microscope left, and you can see the camera is actually like going right. That's what I'm talking about. And it's really disorienting when you're trying to find something. Oh, no. What it was like my skin cells? My dead skin flake? I see his leg. Oh. Oh. Wow. Is that the head? Usually when you have a microscope, you have like a slide. But this is a 3D thing, so the focus, you can see like different parts of it come into focus depending on... Oh, I lost it.